Hi everybody, I am Manmeet Taneja. I stay in Noida and I am right now I am a trader who's also into training. So that is my introduction, and I another feather in my hat is that I am one of the unicorns of the Unicorn Club of the Lifestyle Academy. Uh, Believe you me, it is one of the best decisions that I have taken for myself in my life. uh, you know uh, a unicorn for me is that mystical mythical creature, who's very pretty and who's kind of unattainable. So he's got that level, nobody can compare to the beauty and the existence of a unicorn. So when I say I'm a unicorn, I actually believe that I'm at that level. I want to reach that level, and that is the reason I'm in this club. And since I've come in this club, I already think that I'm already a unicorn. There's so many changes that I have experienced, and it's only been 3 months. So I'm actually in amazement and wonderment, and looking forward to the next 9 months and the changes that it is going to bring with itself. And I'm totally open to the journey. Now, a lot of you may think that investing 1 lakh on yourself is a challenge. We have families, we have commitments, we have kids. Uh, I'll share something with you that I have. I started believing in it after my son was born. I was also just like you, not spending on myself and spending on the family. When my son was born, you know, I, from somebody who was always working and always in the thick of things, I was suddenly relegated to my house, taking care of my child full time because there was parents could not come and help and everything. So that kind of felt very stifling at that point in time. And I became unhappy. When you're stifled, you become unhappy. And when I was unhappy, I was not a good mother, right? So that's when I realized that to be a good mother, I had to be happy myself. I had to take care of myself first so that I could take care of my child. It is the same thing here. If you want to grow in life, if you want to give your family a good life, if you want to do something for your partner, for your children, and you really want to change the, like, a lot of people come from families where they've always experienced some sort of money, you know, uh, not non-abundance of money, shortage of money, lack of funds. And that continues, that happened with when we were with our parents, that somehow continues in our lives now also, even though we are doing better jobs, earning more money, but somehow the lifestyle has increased so much that, wo bhi bura nahi padta. So what I'm the point I'm trying to make is that we want to break free of this, don't we? We want to be at a place where we change all this forever. That our children should not get into a life that our parents were living, that we are living. So to do that, we need to change ourselves. To change ourselves, we need to invest on ourselves, whether it is time, money, or energy. When I heard that this program is for 1 lakh, when I heard about this program, I really, really wanted to do it. When I heard that it is for 1 lakh, I obviously, stopped. I paused and I thought कि इतना पैसा मैं लगाऊं. ऐसा नहीं था. I had to rearrange some things at that point of time. बट वही सोच आ जाती है ना कि मैं ये 1 लाख इस पे लगा दूं, मतलब इससे क्या होएगा. And believe you me, and trust me when I tell you, I was in the exact same spot, but then I still took a leap of faith, because whatever that Romel and Mimansha and the Lifestyle Academy was offering me at that point of time, I really, really needed it in my life, and I did not want to let it go. I wanted to change something, and I wanted to change it forever. you know it's not like when I was working in a corporate job, I was earning a big moolah. At that point of time, I felt ki my life has completely changed, but then again it regressed to the same things after some years. So this time I wanted this change to be permanent, and I wanted to learn that what I need to change in myself, what I need to do, so that I don't fall back on the same patterns, in the same pattern. And additionally, I really, really wanted that my son should learn all of this, so that he has a completely different life from mine. I know that I'm very talented and very capable, as I'm sure you also know, all of you. So, and I also know that I have not been able to achieve success, as per my talents and capabilities. And I'm sure you also believe that. So now is the time for you to, you know, achieve what you deserve, what you're capable of. And just to unlock that, you really need to invest on yourself. The first decision, please don't bother. This 1 lakh rupees is bare minimum. You are going to earn 100,000 times more if when you spend on yourself. And time and energy to फिर अपने आप निकल आएगा. When you give yourself the first week, 10 days, you will realize the changes that there will be changes, and you will realize them, and you will be addicted. You will not be able to trust me when I tell you that. Please do not miss this opportunity. Spend it on yourself. I've shared with you what I've achieved so far. So here, this is me, Manmeet, inviting you to be a part of the Unicorn Club, to join our community. Let's learn from each other. Let's gain from each other. Let's help each other reach our abundance. And let's all be billionaires, trillionaires. Thank you.